don't worry, we are not making a food program. I'm gonna tell you about my progress and how I have been and what's to come. And boy, a lot has happened. But we are gonna cook some potatoes while I talk to you guys, because sometime a guy actually told me on YouTube that it was quite boring when I was just talking and looking out in thin air. So I have found something that we can do. The first potato. And where do I start? Well, as I said, a lot has happened. I have had numerous hours in the saddle of a real bike, which has been simply awesome. The bike I have been riding is the Honda CBF 125, and it's not a 1000cc bike, but it keeps up with traffic, so I like it a lot. And as you probably can see from the title of this video, I have been to my theory test, and oh boy was I nervous. But if you just practice, of course nothing would go wrong, and it didn't. I made one mistake in that test, and you are allowed to make 5. So of course I passed, and I was very happy about that. So, what is to come? Actually, next week, in exactly 1 week, I'm going to the final test, my driving test. And I'm nervous, but I think I know the rules of the road, and I think it's gonna be a good experience, and I hope and think that I will pass the first time. So I'm really looking forward to that, and mostly that if I pass, I will have my motorcycle license and I will be able to ride a motorcycle on the street, and Motor Rider DK can finally live up to the name, and it's gonna be awesome, guys. It really is. But I will also need a bike, and I have been looking all over many places for a bike, and I've been looking at used bikes, and you know what, I'll probably end up buying a used bike, because the value for money in many of those bikes, it's awesome, and you can't get that from new anymore. But yeah, this has just been a very quick update, and to let you guys know that I'm not dead. It has been about 3 weeks since I made my last video, and I'm happy to be back, and hopefully it won't take that long again. But I have been very busy. Many things has come up. I have started on my education, and I left school and elementary school. So things are changing in my life, but for good things, for very good things, if you consider that I'm soon able to ride on streets on a motorcycle. But yeah, short update, not actually so much a cooking video, but thanks you guys for watching, and stay tuned. More videos will come, and soon I will be on a real bike.